Hey artists, welcome back. Today we're drawing Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunter, step by step, using a clean and simple method that makes everything easier. Grab your pencil, relax your hand, and let's start from the basics. We begin with the guidelines. First, draw a light horizontal line near the bottom of the page. This line is the ground where Zoey will be resting. Now draw a vertical line right in the center of the page. This helps us place all the facial features correctly. Next, draw another horizontal line across the face area. This will be the eye line. Keep all these lines very light. Now we create the eye space. On the eye line, draw two soft shapes to mark where the eyes will go. Don't draw the eyes yet, just the space for them. Make sure both sides feel balanced and even. Next, we draw the eyes. Inside each eye space, start shaping the eyes slowly. Zoey's eyes are big and expressive, so don't be afraid to make them large. Add the iris, then the highlights. Those little white shapes inside the eyes are what make her look alive. Now let's move to the nose and mouth. Draw a very small nose in the center, right below the eyes. Keep it simple. Then add a small, soft smile. In this style, less detail looks cuter. Now we add the eyebrows. Next, we shape the face and add the ear. Use curved lines to draw the outline of the face. Keep the cheeks round and soft. Add one ear on the side, simple and clean. Draw them gently above the eyes. The eyebrows help show Zoey's personality, so keep them light and smooth. Even small lines can change the expression a lot. Now it's time for the hair. Start with the main hair shape around the head. Think of it like a helmet that follows the skull. Then draw the bangs in front, using separated curved strands. Don't draw one solid block. Let the hair flow naturally. Next, draw the hair bun. The bun is just a rounded shape, like a soft cloud, placed to one side. Add a few curved lines inside to give it volume. Now we draw the torso. Use simple lines to suggest the shoulders and upper body. Keep everything small and cute to match the chibi style. Next are the hands. Draw two oval shapes resting on the ground line. These ovals represent the hands. Simple shapes work best here. Now we add the details. Clean up the lines, erase guidelines, and strengthen the final outline. Add small hair details, eye depth, and any tiny touches that bring the drawing together. And finally, the result. Take a moment to look at your drawing. Zoey should look clean, balanced, and full of personality. You did an amazing job. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to hit the like button, because that really helps me out. And subscribe if you want to see more step-by-step drawings like this. Now tell me in the comments, which character should I draw next? Keep drawing, keep practicing, and never stop creating.